So dim and cold, darkness whispers softly, dreams lost in the fall, loneliness calls me softly, echoes in the hallway, shadows dance so slowly, eyes closed in the doorway, memories fall so holy. Lost in the night we are, stars so far apart, emotions tear my heart.
Okay, so I just finished doing my skincare and now I'm gonna go ahead and get my kids ready for school. I don't have class early in the morning today, so I'm just gonna come back home and I might take a nap, depends, because I'm feeling a little sleepy. This is the first day I woke up at 4:30 in a long time, so yeah, we're feeling a little sleepy. So basically I'm just gonna go ahead and get my kids ready for school, take them to school, and then come back, and then like I said, I might take a nap before I have to wake up, do a little bit of studying, and then go to school myself. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Bye. Hi lovelies. So it is much later. I basically went to sleep. Well, I did take a nap after I dropped my kids to school, and honestly I set an alarm, but then I think I just turned off the alarm and went back to sleep. So now I'm like late. I'm late to class and I have exam today, and the teacher, like, she times the exam, so I'm all shambles right now trying to make it to class on time so I can do this exam. But yeah, so after class, you know, like I said, I'll just probably go around, do a little dilly-dally, go to like a cafe, but I do want to go to the East Lansing Masjid. I haven't been there in like years now, which is not even funny. I just haven't been there in a long time because I've been going to, like, there's like a smaller masjid that I've been going to. So I want to go over there. I just miss it over there. So I'm gonna go, inshallah, I'll go pray duhur over there, and then it's like close to like a campus. That side of like the masjid is like a lot of like students and stuff like that usually walking, and today, as you guys can see, it's super sunny. So like I'm like, there's gonna be like a lot of kids walking, like, you know, like a lot of students walking and stuff like that, and I can go like cafe hopping and stuff like that. I just want to spend some time with myself, I guess you can say, kind of, and just walk around and kind of enjoy the day, enjoy the sun before I have to come back home and stuff like that. But yeah, so that's what's on the agenda today. Nothing serious, just a little fun, a little play. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys probably after school. Like I said, I am rushing, so I don't really have time to like chit chat and stuff. So bye. So I came to the restaurant. I came to like this one restaurant around here, basically taking myself out or whatever, and hope this doesn't fall. But yeah, so I'm waiting for my food. I already placed my order. I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a little bit of journaling, and then maybe I'll do that while I wait. I just want to take my time. I'm trying to be slow with my life because I'm always rushing. So yeah, that's what's happening. I just wanted to like update you guys. I'm basically just eating, nothing much. Nice little notebook. How cute is this with the polka dots? I mean, I've been so into polka dots. I just placed my order on Shein. Okay, and there's so many polka dot stuff in there. Sad, but yeah. Here looks good. I think. Child, it's a salad and wings. That's all I got. Wings and salad. I don't know why they put them celery sticks there. I ain't eating it. So I got a Kindle. Yeah. Because I was jealous of my daughter. I'm just kidding. Because my daughter seemed like she was having a blast with her Kindle. Okay. Anyway, I got myself one. I got the older version because it's so much tinier, and that's what I wanted. You see how I can just grab it? I can hold it in my hands like that. Tea. But yeah, so far I have read nothing. I just got it yesterday. I just got it. Was it yesterday or the day before? I think it was like the day before. I just got it. And I'm trying to read Frida McFadden. Ooh. I want to put a case on this because I don't trust myself. But also, I was trying to read Frida McFadden. The book in here, The Intruder. I heard good things about it. So that's what we're reading. There is here. It's a chocolate chip. No, cookies and cream. Cookies and cream. Whatever this is. It's so good. It's so gooey. So I finished at the masjid a while back. I'm going to HomeGoods currently. I'm just gonna go look around. Honestly, I don't want to buy anything. I hope I don't buy anything. I just want to go look around. So that's why I'm going. And because I'm waiting for my sister. She's gonna come later after work. So we're gonna meet up. So I don't want to do everything before she get here. So I'm gonna walk around in here because there's AC. But yeah. I haven't been here in so long. I think the last time I was here was fall, and I was looking at fall decor and stuff. There's so much flowers. Oh my god. Oh, how cute. $20. They look good. I don't know. I love the colors though. I love yellow in the summer. It just brightens up my day. It makes me so much happier. Liar. This looks so real, no lie. This just makes me happy just seeing them. Okay, but these are like super cute. It's plastic. I thought it was glass. It's all plastic. Thank you. That smells nice. That smells good. this box is so gorgeous. You know what? This smells like fall. $24. Smells like fall if you want fall early. I don't herbs and vanilla. Oh, this too. These are like, these are so cute though. They look so good in the kitchen. But I'm just not gonna get them today. I'm gonna just get this little itty bitty one. How adorable is this candle? Look at it. It's like a little ovally. It's so cute. Oh, you guys get to see my outfit. Why is that so damn dark? Let me see this one. This, oh my god, this is gorgeous. What? It's only 119. Isn't this just cute? You guys can't even see me. But do you see this mirror? Oh my god, I want this for my beauty room. This is gorgeous. I like my bedroom. Okay, so this is my outfit. Okay, this is the full fit. I'm just wearing flip-flops. Like I told you guys, I'm just wearing a dress under. This is the bag. The bag doesn't go with the outfit. Don't worry about it. Oh my, this none. Because this is the perfect height for like my room. I need one for my room, and this is literally like perfect. Yeah, see it? I should grab this and go. It's a butter yellow towel. Okay, if you're that serious about butter yellow, they got you.
Lights so dim and cold, darkness whispers softly, dreams lost in the fold, loneliness calls me softly. Echoes in the hallway, shadows dance a slow.
It's so beautiful. I found this book, and it's like so gorgeous. And the pictures inside are like really nice. I ended up getting just books. I did good. So proud of me. This is this one with this guy on the cover, and then the other one is Live Life Beautifully. Just books today. I'm waiting. I'm at the cashier. Waiting.
Books are heavy too.
I was gonna ask, is there a chance I could get a discount because it's ripped right there? Gonna ask. It's like ripped right there.
Yeah, hang on a second.
Thank you.
I could take like $3 off.
That's fine.
Okay, they're heavy.
Yeah,
But
they are
I
heavy.
did double bag.
Okay, thank you. That's good. So I found this Japanese Gothic. It sounds interesting. I want to get it, but I don't know how much it is. But I didn't even come here to get a book, y'all. Ooh. Hello? Yeah. No, it's okay. I'm coming. Chimamanda. Okay. I wanna get books by this author. I heard so many good things. I just wanna see the book. This is so interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna come back. Far specifically.